Could trading rare music tapes with friends actually be a scam? In the 1980s, bootleg tape trading rings became popular among fans who sought rare live recordings or unreleased demos. Musical Facts Unleashed explored how some rings took advantage of trust by charging fees for tapes that were never delivered, or sending low-quality copies instead of promised recordings. These scams preyed on collectors' desire for exclusivity. Many fans lost both money and time, while trusting communities was shaken by deception. Bootleg tape trading highlights how even fan-driven networks can be exploited when demand and desire intersect. Over time, these issues contributed to stronger copyright enforcement and more secure methods of trading music. Fans learned to verify sources, demand authenticity, and share tips to avoid scams. If this story captured your attention, check out our other videos and subscribe. And support the channel as we uncover music's hidden stories.